Hi, so if you're watching this video, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I have made $900 in one day with one affiliate offer using Google Ads. Now what is really important, if you are a newbie watching this video and if you are about to, or if you are currently using, let's say, Google Ads, using keyword planners and stuff like that to get results, right, to get sales with, let's say, Google search, right, Google PPC, pay-per-click, then please pay close attention and watch this video until the end. Why? Because I'm going to reveal to you and show you so that you can finally understand what it takes to get results with Google Ads as an affiliate in 2022, right, and going further, because many things have changed now on Google Ads. And if you want to have results like this, as you can see on my screen, $900 or $1,000 days with Google Ads, then please watch this video because it's going to give you a lot of value at the end. So as you know, if you go to Google Ads, right, if you go to your account, right, you have in your own language, of course in English or any language you're using, you have selecting the goal. So what is your goal? My goal is getting sales, right? So I would choose sales, getting sales, online sales, right? Or traffic, right? Or leads. But in this case, I want to get sales. Now when you scroll down, you will see you can choose what kind of action do you want. Do you want search? Do you want video ads, right? Do you want to run YouTube ads? So I will choose here the first one, which means search. Now then you can choose, right, how you want to reach your goal. Now you want the phone calls, you want online store visitors, do you want people who don't know the app, do you want search of your website, right? You can choose, for example, the option, and then you can put, for example, the website over here and then click next, right? So this is how you do it, this is how you start. But what is the most important thing here right now is that it's all about being relevant enough, right? Having the right headline, and also understanding that most people who are buying courses or who are selling you the courses, right, like Clickbank gurus, right, or stuff like that, the most important thing you have to understand is this: once you buy the course, you are competing with thousands or hundreds, thousands of other people in Bangalore, India, for example. And I'm just giving you an example, or China or Pakistan, right, who have credit card and $300 on the credit card. Now why I'm saying this? Because imagine this: you have hundreds of people using the same copy and paste website from the course. They're using the same copy and paste ad copy. They're using the same copy and paste images. So of course you are competing with thousands of other people doing the same thing as you, ad copy as you. So first of all, big competition. Second of all, Google doesn't like that copy and paste material. So if you have bought any high ticket course before and you have failed, the reason why is because you cannot use copy and paste stuff and expect great results, right? You need to change something, you need to do different things. So if you're the one who are watching this video right now, you have bought recently some course and you're not getting results you want, it's probably this. Because imagine every one of you who bought a course promoting the same product, using the same landing page, which is sometimes even scammy affiliate site, right, where you don't add any value, there is no relevancy, there is nothing that would say to the customer, right? Me as a customer who I'm looking to buy the product, right, and I see your landing page, I don't get connection. I don't feel like I discovered something new, right? I don't get the feeling that you understand me, that you found out what I needed. You have the answer to my pains and problems, right? So this is the important thing that most of affiliates don't understand. They don't know that it's 90% about the customer. It's 90% about no, I wouldn't say probably as a audience, but as a one, right? If you focus on the person as a one, as a human being, not just a number, then you will get great results, right? You will get great results even with Google Ads, right? With Google Ads, the best thing is we have search buyers intent. Search buyers intent means that people are on Google to search for the information or for the solutions to the problems they have and pains they have right now in this moment as you're watching video, right? So keep this in mind, right? If you would like to have one-on-one support, if you would like to have real personal human touch, that we connect together, we build over time ongoing relationship, and we also get your results, then of course below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts, email, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. You can reach out to me, and if you're really serious and if you have the money to invest and some time, right, then of course do let me know, because I don't want to waste your time, and I hope you don't want to waste mine either. So if you want to have real results and have this laptop lifestyle with affiliate marketing, then do let me know. And as I said before, the links are below this video. So again, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.